All right, this is the last week of recordings. Everything for the semester will be due next week by Friday. I just wanted to quickly remind you to please upload your presentations both in your group, which will appear, and in the assignment 8 section as well. And you are also responsible for responding to other folks' presentations in your group. If they do not, if they don't post, that is not on you, so don't feel stressed. But I'm sorry, Kat. I am asking you to check in and have some conversations with your group mates through the end of the semester. Any outstanding work, as I said, also, please make sure you get that in by next week as well. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. Otherwise, you're done. There are 3 more credits under your belt. Congratulations, and I hope you all enjoy the holiday break. Take good care.